Okay, try to remember this list of words. I'll leave them on the screen for another 10 seconds. So, you've learnt a series of words by paying attention to them. Now try to recall all the words you have just learnt by writing them down on a piece of paper in the correct order. I'll give you 20 seconds to do this. Now you have a second list of words to learn. Again, I'll give you 10 seconds to pay attention to them. Now you've learnt this second list of words, I'll give you another 20 seconds to write them down. Here are the answers, so you can see how you got on. Most people find it easier to remember the second list of words. They make more mistakes when recalling the first list of words. However, if you try to recall these two lists of words again in 20 minutes' time, you'll probably make more mistakes with the second list of words. This simple demonstration investigates how information is coded within our memory. In Atkinson and Shiffrin's multi-store model, short-term memory is coded acoustically. This means that you make more mistakes when you try to recall the similar sounding words. You make fewer mistakes when you try to remember a list of words which have a similar meaning but sound different. Long-term memory is, however, coded for meaning. We use the term semantically. This means that you will make more mistakes when you try to recall the second list of words in 20 minutes' time. Give it a go then and see how you get on.